Welcome back to another episode of My Legacy Garage. Today, we're starting something special. Now, y'all have seen this truck before, and this kid before. And today, this is going to be his truck, if he wants it when it's done. And we're going to start working on it today. So the first thing we have to do is resurrect it, because
this is a mess.
I think it was like November of 21 or so, the video on this truck came out. And we drove it back here and parked it, and then we haven't touched it since then because, you know, it was a someday project. And today's the day. So let's see if we can make it run again.
Let's get us a little update on this thing. It has one tire that's down, but the other three are all up. I didn't really remember a lot about this truck, so I had to go watch the video again. And then I remembered that this light and the fender and stuff, and a big old dent in the fender occurred because Aiden hit it with his mini bike. I think that might be on camera. I'll have to look. If it is, I'll try and slip a clip of that in here. And he wrecked.
Yep.
Otherwise, you know, it's not completely terrible. It's going to be a chore for sure, but it's pretty much the same. The rust is not horrific in this one, which is nice. It does have this issue. That's going to be hard to fix, but we'll figure it out. All right, let's get this thing started and get it up to the shop.
So we rewatched the intro that we shot and realized that AJ had no reaction whatsoever. And I asked him what was going on, and he's like, I was daydreaming, apparently about the truck. So we decided we're going to recreate the reaction he was having in his head, but physically. That's better.
We've made some progress. Got the tire aired up. We've got a battery precariously situated in here. Now I guess it's time to see if it still spins over, and then we'll see about getting her to fire off.
Crank it.
Turn it.
Oh, bummer. Off. We got bad battery connections. All right, try it again. All right, we've got crankage. Now, will we get fireage? Let's see. Crank it. All right, crank it. Hold on. All right. All right, crank it. And it's alive again.
AJ has been hard at work on this thing. We've got a fender off of it already. Hood. I believe he's over here working on getting this fender off. He also, while he's been out here working by himself, cleaned the cab out and cleaned the bed out. That's good progress to start.
What about this tray?
I guess we could take that one Phillips screw out.
I don't really want to rip the tray off with it. What the heck? That was fun.
Off. You gotta get it forward enough to get the back out. Hold the lights hanging up. Okay. We're good to go. Well, we're making good progress. We've managed to make a mess all over the garage floor. How do you say that, AJ?
This is a mess.
All right, let's grab the core support and go. She should come off of there. Easy. It's heavier than it looks.
It was heavier than it looks.
I'll help you. You're outside.
Let me get a better grip.
So AJ's been steady cranking away on this thing, and I came out and checked on him and helped him a little here there. And I discovered something once the core support was gone that I never noticed before, which is really a bummer. Let me show you. Anybody notice anything wrong there? Like the frame is all bent up and actually ripped through. And up here, this looks to be bent in. Maybe that's supposed to be like that, I'm not sure. Probably not that much though. And then over here, this one's nice and straight. Either way, that's a problem right there. It's got it bent up pretty bad. It's even got it folded up in here. But luckily, we have a solution. Let me show you. It's a whole nother truck. This one, we did pop the hood on it and look. Frame on it appears to be good. So I guess tomorrow we're going to push that other one outside, get this one in there and start stripping it down, because it looks like this is going to be the chassis that we start with. That's a tomorrow problem. Well, since the last truck didn't work out too well, we're going to switch to this truck. And I think AJ likes it too. Alright, let's do it. It's been removed from the shop, though some of it remains. I think we're going to have to clean the floor again. Beautiful. We did do a compression test on the engine in that other truck, just so we have something to compare to. We use whichever engine has better compression. This one, it's pretty good though. Not bad at all. And just like that, what was a running driving truck no longer runs and drives and is back in death row. I'm gonna get a tarp this engine up good, because I think we'll probably use it. You can see better the damage to this frame now, where it's all twisted. Of course, got this hiding where it's ripped. The frame is literally ripped right there, and it's twisted all the way up in here. You can see the buckle in it there. It's really a shame. You might be able to fix that if you could find a donor frame and just cut that front horn off of it so that it's, straight like this one. I just don't have the energy for that. Plus, I have a whole nother truck, so we're just going to go with that plan. Who wants to see Jessica try and start this old Biscayne? It's been sitting back here for a minute. I'm going to have to do something with it eventually. Anyway, back to the truck. I mean, this one's been sitting here a minute too. Tires are flat, sunk in the dirt. First thing we're going to do is try and get these tires aired up, and then see if we can make it, run and move again. It's been a while. Should have seen the video on that by now too. There's a lot of projects around here. Alright, tires, go. Let's see, battery cables. Battery cables would be useful. All right, let's give it a spinny test, AJ. All right, she spins. Now, will it run? That is the question, isn't it?
That's a wrap for today, folks. We made some progress. AJ did this all by himself. He's got the hood off, and it doesn't look like a lot of progress, but almost all the bolts are out of the front clip here. There's a couple stubborn rusted ones that he needs my help with, and I'm tied up with something else, so that's it for now. We'll see you when we see you. Ta-da! Front clip is gone. Making good progress. We've also got the bed loose, and I think we're ready to get the tractor and try and lift this off of here. I haven't quite figured out how we're going to do that yet, but surely it's possible, right? The important part is, look at all this progress and a nice straight frame. How about that? All right, let's get the tractor and see about getting this bed off.
Don't forget, if you like this type of content, hit that like button.
And if you really like it and want to see how you make one truck take up all this room, hit the subscribe button so you can follow along. We appreciate it.
Wire wheel on this frame a little bit here. I'm gonna tell you what, this truck is gonna clean up nice. It's gonna be a real nice frame. Cross members aren't rotten. Brake lines even look halfway okay on it. The brakes did work on this, but no rot in the cross members. Spring shackles even look pretty good.
Well, AJ's had enough and done gone inside. It is a little chilly out today, and he didn't want to get dirty. I don't understand it. It is what it is, though. You're going to get dirty working on these trucks. That's going to do it for this video. Hope y'all enjoy it. If you want to see more of it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you see when we post another video. We appreciate everyone who watches. We'll see you next time.